Hey everyone! So we are here with the unique Rakhi making ideas that you can easily apply. Hope you all like it, and let's start with my favorite one. First we will take a ribbon. You can take any other lace also. Then you can have a simple flower like this or this handmade sheet which you can cut in round shape. And you can take decorating stones also, which you can easily get from any shop nearby. Yeah. And we will place a round stone first. Wow, this is looking so beautiful. We can make many more Rakhis like this, right? Yeah, it will look nice on my hand also. Yeah, it's looking pretty. See? Yay! Let's try some more designs. Yeah, okay. For this Rakhi, we will take a circle of handmade sheet like this. I'll apply some glue. And we are taking a flower like this, which you can find anywhere. You can take any type of flower. I'll place it here. And now we are taking some pearls, which we'll place around this flower. As you can see, it's already looking so beautiful. And now we have a chain, stone chain. We are taking this chain so that it will match the theme. Wow, it's too beautiful. You can tie this on your sister's hand also. Yay! Now we are gonna make a marvelous Rakhi from this bracelet, which you can buy from any other shop. We'll take some pearls. I'll place these pearls like this linearly. To make lumba, you can have these hangings. You can easily tie them on this bangle and it will look wow. And we have made one more like this. Okay, let's make a super easy Rakhi for kids. Okay, let's try. Okay, I think for that I'll take this chain and a stone and ribbon and this handmade paper. So let's start. Yeah. For this Rakhi, I'm taking this ribbon and I'll apply glue on this handmade sheet. And put a stone on it, on the center. And then we'll use this chain. I'll round it like this. You can use other chains also, but I think it will look nice. Now you can see only this part of Rakhi is looking so beautiful. Now I'm going to paste it on this ribbon like this. Now you can see how easy and beautiful it is. You can easily make this at home.
Hi!
See what I have made for you.
Wow, it's very
so
beautiful.
Wow, it's